Today on What's in the Warehouse, we're talking about the Andrews Camshaft EV27. Part of the Evolution 80 series, this camshaft is for touring and performance motorcycles. If you're looking to modify your motorcycle, this little guy will give a lot of rev to your ride with 2,000 to 5,500 RPMs, thanks to its strong, broad torque band. The EV27 has an intake timing of 2036 and an exhaust timing of 44/16. Full product specs can be found at midwesttraction.com. The packaging comes with installation instructions, but if you're like me, you'll probably lose those. Luckily, andrewsproducts.com has the full installation PDF online. Are you modifying your motorcycle? Share your photos and tell us about it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.